Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. Today the price line rallied up to $43,390 and broke out the $42,000 resistance level, but we need the closing above $42,000 on the daily time frame. So far, the price action is not closed on the daily time frame, but only a few hours left, and there is a very strong probability that the price action will be closed above $42,000, and then we can have an imminent move up to $50,000, and I'll show you why we can expect this imminent move. Previously, we had so many bullish reversal signals. Like I told you that this is a bullish bias pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame chart, and that is the falling wedge pattern. At the same time, we had this bullish shark, the bullish harmonic reversal shark pattern that was formed on the 12-hourly chart, on the 4-hourly chart. Before that, we had this bullish reversal bat move, and when the price action moved here, I told you that as per Fibonacci sequence, we are having this bullish bat move, and now the price action can complete this final leg. And now I'm just going to play the chart, and you can see that the price action completed this final leg here and reversed bullish from here. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas on the daily basis at the Patreon, and if you would like to support me here, then I've also shared the link in the video's description. You can find there. And then I shared this bullish harmonic shark move then that was formed on the 4-hourly time frame chart, and I told you this is another bullish reversal, and from here we can expect another bullish reversal move by the price action of Bitcoin. And we can see that we had a very powerful reversal, and we also had this bullish engulfing candlestick that was appeared here, and dodgy dragonfly at the bottom of the downtrend. That was the trend reversal signals, and now you can see that the trend is getting reversed, and we are also having powerful buying volume here, and now we are also having very nice volume. If I place the volume oscillator, this is really very useful tool to measure the power of buying or selling of the volume. Then we can see that it is showing here. That was the you can watch the values here, by the way. The value at that time previously, when we had this bullish move on 26th of July, the value was 21, but at this time the value is not as that much powerful, but it is moving towards the upside, and we can expect that soon it will also cross the 10 value, because we need at least 10 value that is considered to be a very powerful volume oscillator value to change the trend. And now the price line is not only breaking out the $42,000 resistance level, at the same time the price action is also breaking out. It is also breaking out this down trend line resistance level as well. You can see when previously the price action set all-time high here, it found a resistance here, then again moved up, rejected by this resistance, and again here the price action was rejected, and it was bounced by this $37,500 support level. In my previous video I told you that it can work as a very nice support this time, and the price action reversed bullish from here, from this support, and now it is also breaking out this very important downtrend line resistance level as well. And once the price action will have the closing above these resistance levels on the daily time frame, then it can be a kind of irreversible action, because after these resistance levels we are not having any significant resistance up to $50,000. I'll show you why. And it is also possible that the price action may move down to retest the previous downtrend line resistance as a support, and then it will start the next rally towards the upside. So the people who are left behind to buy the Bitcoin, they can buy Bitcoin while the price action will retest this previous resistance as a support. But it is not necessary that the price action must move down to retest this previous resistance as a support, but normally it happens when the price action breaks out such very strong resistance levels. The price action moves down to confirm that breakout by retesting the previous resistance as a support and start a very massive rally after that. Now, if we take a look at the different support and resistance level, let me show you, this is very important point, that after breaking out $42,000, we are having a minor resistance here at approximately $45,000, then up to $50,000. Here we are not having any significant resistance. Yes, we are also having minor resistance approximately at $48,500. So this move can be imminent now from $42,000 to $50,000. But again, there is a retest possible, but not must, not necessary that the price action will retest the previous resistance as support. We can just expect. Now, if we take a look at the different simple moving averages on the daily time frame, first of all, let me show you on the weekly time frame, we had a very nice bounce by the 50 simple moving average. And I told you in my so many previous videos that it never happens in the history of the Bitcoin that the price action hits the 50 simple moving average for the first time after breaking it out, and the price line does not start any rally towards the upside. It always starts any correction rally or any at least a short rally from 50 to 100%, and then it breaks down the 50 simple moving average back. But at this time, the price action is also breaking out a very important resistance levels as well. Therefore, it can start the next rally, and it can also try to break out this all-time high level as well. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, that is very important that I've been telling you that the moving averages are the lagging indicators, and we can expect rallies before the death process and before the bull process. Like if I remove all the moving averages except the 100, the 50 and 200, and then we can see that previously we had this death cross here, and before the death cross we had a very bearish move towards the downside, and after death cross the price action moved sideways, and now it is moving towards the upside. And now this 50 simple moving average has started moving towards the upside, and you can see that previously when this 50 simple moving average just started moving towards the downside, then before this death cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving average, we had a very powerful rally towards the downside, and after the death cross we had some sideways move, and then price action has started moving towards the upside. Same as like that, before this golden cross between the 50 and 200 simple moving averages, we can expect a very powerful rally that has been started, and we are witnessing this powerful rally. That is the signal of an upcoming golden cross. Like this was the signal of an upcoming death cross between the 50 and 200. Same as like that, we are having this is a signal of an upcoming golden cross very soon, and you can see that there is not a very big distance between the 250 simple moving average. That is just a game of few days. But again, we need the closing above these levels, and only few hours are left, and these are decisive movements for the Bitcoin. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the video. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And if you would like to support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing the different trading ideas on a daily basis you will find here, then I've also shared the link to join me here in the video's description. Take care. Goodbye.